everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to know who blocked me on Snapchat. So let's get right into the video. Once you're in your Snapchat, head over to your Bitmoji and go to your friends list. Here you can see there are two friends in my friends list. If you have more friends, you will get to know that some of your friends in your list are missing. So from that, you can know that they have blocked you. And there's another way. You can go to your chats and then head over to some chats. Then you can see that someone, if you enter any chat like this one, you will see that they are in here. You can see a notification named someone has left the chat. Then you can also know that you have been blocked by that person. And yeah, that's it. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next one.